Shalom everyone! Once again, Ate Ai at welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's vlog, ang isi-share ko sa inyo ay kung ano ang aking naging secret how to create simple sentence in Hebrew na nagagamit ko everyday. You can write down dahil magbibigay ako ng mga example at ibibigay ko rin ang pattern kung paano kayo makagagawa ng simple sentence in Hebrew na pwede nyong gamitin everyday at alam ko malaki ang may tutulong nito sa inyo. Sundin lang ang ibinigay kong pattern at gayahin ang mga ibinigay kong example at alam ko, after mong mapanood ang video na to, makagagawa ka na ng sarili mong sentence na pwede mong gamitin everyday. Tandaan lang kung anong gender ang rotse, rotsa, rotsem at rotsot. Okay, bonatkel. Verb to want in Ibrit, lertsot. At pag-aaralan natin ang verb na lertsot sa present, past, and future tense. Masculine and feminine singular, masculine and feminine plural. Now, umpisahan natin sa present tense masculine singular. I in Ibrit, ani. You in Ibrit, ata. He in Ibrit, who. Want in Ibrit, rotse. I want, you want, he want. In Ibrit, anerotse, atarotse, horotse. Personal pronoun ani, ata, ho. They are masculine singular. Verb rotse is for masculine singular. Now we are going to present tense feminine singular. I in Ibrit, ani. You in Ibrit, at. She in Ibrit, he. Want in Ibrit, rotsa. I want, you want, she want. In Ibrit, anerotsa, atrotsa, herotsa. Personal pronoun ani, at, he. They are feminine singular. Verb rotsa is for feminine singular. Now present tense masculine plural. We in Ibrit, anakno. You in Ibrit, atem. They in Ibrit, him. Want in Ibrit, rotsim. We want, you want, they want. In Ibrit, anakno, rotsem. Atem, rotsem. Hem, rotsem. Personal pronoun anakno, atem, hem. They are masculine plural. Verb rotsem is only for masculine plural. Now we are going to present tense feminine plural. We in Ibrit, anachno. You in Ibrit, aten. They in Ibrit, hen. Want in Ibrit, rotsot. We want, you want, they want. In Ibrit, anakno, rotsot. Aten, rotsot. Hen, rotsot. Personal pronoun anakno, aten, hen, they are feminine plural. Verb rotsot is for feminine plural. Now, past tense of what is wanted. At dito sa past tense, hindi na kailangang gamitin ang mga personal pronoun dahil ito ay suffix. Inilagay ko lang para may idea kung paano sasabihin ang verb na lertsot according to the gender. Ani ratsiti, both gender singular. Ata ratsita, at ratsit, hu ratsa, he ratsta. Anachno, ratsino, both gender plural. Atem, ratsitem. Aten, ratsiten. Hem, vehen, ratsu. Now, future tense of want is will want. Ani, earthy, both gender singular. Ata, thirtse, at, thirtsi. Who, yertse, he, thirtse. Anakno, nertse, both gender plural. Atem, tertsu, aten, tertsina. Hem, yertsu, hen, tertsina. Balikan natin ang present tense dahil ito ang gagamitin natin how to create simple sentence in Hebrew. Present tense, masculine singular, ani, ata, ho, rotse. Feminine singular, ani, at, he, rotsa. Masculine plural, anakno, atem, hem, rotsem. Feminine plural, anakno, aten, hen, rotsot. Now, ibibigay ko naman sa inyo ang mga question words na magagamit natin sa pag-create ng simple sentence in Ibrit. What in Ibrit? Ma, why, lama, which, ize, when, matay, where, efo, how, ek, whose, shall me, who, me, how many, and how much, in Ibrit, kama. This is the pattern how to create simple sentence in Ibrit. Question word plus personal pronoun plus verb plus infinitive. Now we will do simple sentence in Ibrit. For masculine singular, example number 1, maatarotse lekol or listot. Number 2, la mahorotse plus infinitive. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyong ilagay na infinitive. Number 3, anerotse plus infinitive. Ma is a question word. Ata is personal pronoun. Rotse is verb. Lekol is infinitive. Lama is also question word. Who and ani is personal pronoun. Now, example for feminine singular. Number 1, ane rotsa plus infinitive. Efo at rotsa plus infinitive. Kama at rotsa plus infinitive. Ani and at, they are feminine singular personal pronoun. Efo and kama, they are a question word. Rotsa is verb for feminine singular. Infinitives, bahala na kayo kung anong infinitives ang gusto nyong gamitin. For masculine plural, example, number 1, anakno rotsim plus infinitives, ek atem rotsim plus infinitive, him rotsim plus infinitive. Anakno is personal pronoun for masculine plural. Rotsim is the verb for personal pronoun. Ek is question word. Atem is personal pronoun for masculine plural. Him is personal pronoun for masculine plural. Now, example for feminine plural. Anakno rotsot plus infinitive. Aten rotsot plus infinitive. Mahin rotsot plus infinitive. Anakno, aten, hen, they are personal pronoun, feminine plural. Ma is a question word. Rotsot is verb for feminine plural only. And infinitive, you can connect any infinitive na gusto nyong gamitin sa inyong sentence. Now, magbibigay ako ng ilang example ng mga infinitives na maaaring gamitin sa pang-araw-araw. To eat, in Ibrit, leekol. To drink, in Ibrit, lishtot. To clean, in Ibrit, linakot. To cook, in Ibrit, livasyel. To stand, in Ibrit, laamod. To get up, in Ibrit, lakom. To sit, in Ibrit, lasyevet. To tell, in Ibrit, lihagid. To talk, in Ibrit, lidaber. To make and to do, in Ibrit, laasot. To work, in Ibrit, laavod. To open, in Ibrit, liftuwak. To close, in Ibrit, lisgor. To ask, in Ibrit, lisol. To help, in Ibrit, laazor. To check, in Ibrit, livdok. To give, in Ibrit, latet. To bring, in Ibrit, lehave. To buy, in Ibrit, liknot. To wipe, in Ibrit, linagev. To wake up, in Ibrit, lihit orer. Guys, lahat ng infinitives ay pwede nyong i-connect sa question word, personal pronoun at verb na rotse for masculine singular, rotsa for feminine singular, rotsem for masculine plural, at rotsot for feminine plural. Sundin nyo lang ang ibinigay kong pattern at makakapag-create na kayo ng simple sentence in Hebrew. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog at sana ma-practice mo kung paano gumawa ng simple sentence in Hebrew. Sundin mo lang ang ibinigay kong pattern at makakapag-create ka na ng simple sentence in Hebrew na pwede mong gamitin araw-araw sa iyong patient. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Toda raba, velihitraot!